Just having a beer. Welcome back to the channel, people. Right, we've arrived to our destination. We're in the south of France. So this is my room. I didn't do a room tour when I got here last night because we got here very late and just wanted to chill out. So as you come in the room, we've got a table there on the left, on the right hand side, table there on the left hand side as well. Sorry about the mess. This is the bed, this is the room. Nice bit of artwork over there, mirror there. Sorry about the mess here. There's a cupboard in there for clothes. And there's a cupboard in here for the towels and stuff. As you come through here, we've got this little area here. There's a window here. They can open up into the courtyard. Yeah, that's the swimming pool over there. Right. And some books if you want to read. This is the bathroom. Got a shower, got a rain shower. Got a normal shower here. Rain shower. Lavatory, little sink. That's me. Just got ready. Yeah, so that's the room. This is my room that I'm staying in. And everybody's wondering where's Ems. Ems is at home. I've travelled with a friend of mine. We've done a road trip across from London to Dover. We got off and we drove all the way here and across here. Right, so the reasons why we're here, I'll give you another reasons why we're here another time. Oh yeah, don't forget, my balcony, people. My balcony, guys, check that out. Ain't that just glorious? And that's a lovely view here. Listen, every villa here, it's got swimming pool. There's a swimming pool there. There's a swimming pool in that one. Look at the distance. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely stunning here. It's super hot here. Absolutely super, super hot. Ooh. It's time to go and get something to eat, people. Stock up on a few bits of shopping here and there. Anyway, peace out. Let's do this. Oh, well, that was a tour of the room. Now, says are on. We're heading out. We're gonna go and get a nice meal somewhere, hopefully. It's waiting for my mate, the driver. And we're just gonna go into the local town, check it out, a little wander and try and find a nice restaurant, just have a bite to eat. Day 2 of being here in the south of France. Just having a beer. On live at the moment with Jas. It's a late dinner tonight, so we've come to this kebab house, kebab place called Ali Baba's Grill. Hopefully the food should be nice. Just parked up the car here. Alright, let's go inside and have something to eat. I'm starving at the moment.
From here.
The cubes?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we just ordered our food. My mate's got a kufta and I got myself a chicken shish. It's a late dinner tonight. It's coming up to 9 o'clock at the moment. Beautiful setting here. Really nice. So, dinner time. Starving. Hungry. Right, we've just finished our food to eat and we've driven 15, 20 minutes down the road and we're in Cannes. And check out these boats here. Right, we're just gonna go to this Irish pub over here. So we're just coming to the Irish pub. We're gonna have another pint of beer. So we just got ourselves another beer. We're sitting outside.
Was that even a question? Obviously.
Oh, it's time to head back. A few pints, tired now. Should get some sleep. Another day tomorrow. So we've just been to Cannes, had a pint in the pub. Now it's time to head back.